Sharks have roamed the world's oceans for over 400 million years, evolving into a diverse array of species, each playing a critical role in the marine environments they inhabit. Today we dive into the lives of these fascinating creatures, not just as fearsome predators, but as essential players in the ocean's complex ecosystem. Contrary to popular belief, sharks are not the mindless killing machines often portrayed in media. While they are indeed effective predators, their role extends far beyond that. Today, we'll dispel some of these myths and shed light on the true nature of sharks. In this video, we aim to explore and explain the ecological roles of sharks. From maintaining the health of coral reefs to ensuring the balance of marine species, sharks have a profound impact on oceanic ecosystems. Join us as we uncover how these majestic creatures help keep our oceans healthy and why it's crucial to protect them. Sharks, the ocean's top predators. Sharks are often recognized as apex predators, meaning they reside at the top of the food chain in marine ecosystems. Their role as predators is crucial. They help regulate the populations of species below them, ensuring that no single group dominates the marine environment, which could lead to a collapse in the ecosystem balance. There are over 500 species of sharks, each with its unique dietary preferences. For instance, the great white shark prefers seals and large fish, while the whale shark feeds almost exclusively on plankton. Understanding these dietary habits helps us appreciate the diverse roles sharks play in various marine ecosystems, from coral reefs to the open ocean. By preying on the weak, sick, or slower fish, sharks help to keep fish populations healthy and genetically robust. Moreover, their presence can influence the behavior of fish populations, preventing overgrazing of vital habitats like seagrasses and coral reefs. This not only preserves the structure and health of these ecosystems, but also supports the incredible biodiversity that relies on these environments to survive. Regulators of marine health. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance within marine ecosystems by controlling the population of other marine species. As apex predators, they help regulate species that, if left unchecked, could become overly dominant and deplete the resources necessary for a balanced ecosystem. This natural population control ensures a healthier and more sustainable marine environment. Explaining the concept of trophic cascades. A trophic cascade occurs when top predators, like sharks, influence the population and distribution of species further down the food chain, thereby affecting the overall health and biodiversity of the ecosystem. By maintaining or altering the structures of ecosystem communities, sharks indirectly support the diversity and stability of marine life. This dynamic illustrates how vital top predators are to ecological balance and health. Case study: the impact of shark population decline on coral reefs. One striking example of how sharks influence marine ecosystems is observed in coral reefs. Studies have shown that in areas where shark populations have declined, the balance of the reef ecosystem is significantly disrupted. This decline often leads to the overpopulation of certain reef species, which in turn affects coral health and regrowth. For instance, the reduction in shark numbers can lead to an increase in medium-sized predators, which then excessively feed on herbivorous fishes. Without these herbivores to keep them in check, algae can overrun coral reefs, leading to less space for new coral and a decrease in overall reef health and biodiversity. This cascading effect underscores the critical role sharks play in marine ecosystems and highlights the far-reaching consequences of their decline. Sharks as ecosystem engineers. An ecosystem engineer is an organism that significantly modifies, maintains, or creates habitats through its physical or biological activities. These species play a pivotal role in shaping the environments they inhabit, often affecting numerous other species and the overall health of the ecosystem. Sharks, particularly those species that feed near or on the seafloor, such as nurse sharks and tiger sharks, are important ecosystem engineers of marine environments. Their feeding activities often involve disturbing the seabed, which can uncover hidden prey and create new habitats. This behavior not only impacts the availability of resources for other marine species, but also promotes habitat diversity within the seafloor community. The presence of sharks has a significant impact on the distribution and health of seagrasses and other bottom-dwelling organisms. By controlling the population of seagrass grazers, sharks ensure that these plants are not overeaten, which is crucial for the health of coastal ecosystems. Seagrass beds provide critical nursery grounds for many marine species and act as effective carbon sinks, thus helping mitigate climate change. Furthermore, the activities of bottom-feeding sharks help aerate the seabed and redistribute nutrients, which can enhance the growth and spread of sea grasses and other benthic organisms. In this way, sharks contribute to the ecological richness and diversity of marine ecosystems, underscoring their role as key players in ocean health. Genetic diversity and disease control. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the genetic diversity of marine species through their predation habits. By naturally targeting the sick, weak, or genetically less fit individuals among their prey, sharks help to ensure that only the healthiest and most adaptable animals survive and reproduce. This selective predation helps to enhance the genetic pool of prey populations, which is vital for their adaptability to changing environments and for maintaining the health of the entire ecosystem. Beyond their role in genetic diversity, sharks also help to control the spread of disease in marine populations. By preying on sick and diseased individuals, sharks can reduce the number of pathogen carriers in the water. This activity helps prevent potential epidemics that could devastate marine populations and affect the broader health of the ecosystem. Their role as both predators and scavengers is vital in keeping marine life populations healthy and in balance. Economic and ecological benefits. Economic benefits. Sharks are pivotal to the global ecotourism industry, driving substantial economic growth through shark watching and diving expeditions in renowned locations like the Great Barrier Reef and the Galapagos Islands. The allure of healthy shark populations for diving and snorkeling not only boosts local economies, but also fosters a deeper appreciation and understanding of marine ecosystems among tourists. Ecological benefits. Ecologically, sharks maintain the balance within marine ecosystems, crucially benefiting the fishing industry by regulating the populations of other large predatory fish and thus preventing the overexploitation of vital fish stocks. Their role extends to supporting the health of coral reefs and seagrass beds, essential habitats that enhance overall fishery productivity and ensure food security for communities dependent on these resources. Sharks' roles in both the economy and ecology are integral to the health and sustainability of marine environments. Protecting them ensures the economic viability and natural stability of our oceans, making shark conservation a critical investment for the future. Conservation challenges. Shark populations worldwide are facing several critical threats. Overfishing, both targeted and as bycatch, remains the most significant danger, severely reducing shark numbers globally. Habitat loss, due to coastal development and degradation of important marine areas, further threatens their survival. Additionally, climate change impacts ocean temperatures and acidity levels, disrupting shark migration patterns and breeding grounds. In response to these threats, several international efforts and policies have been instituted to protect shark populations. These include the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, which regulates the trade of shark products, and various marine protected areas that provide safe havens for sharks. However, enforcement varies significantly by region, and global cooperation is essential. Public perception and education play critical roles in shark conservation. Misconceptions about sharks as dangerous predators often hinder conservation efforts. Educating the public about the ecological role of sharks and their current threats helps build support for conservation initiatives. Outreach and education programs can shift public attitudes and foster a more shark-friendly environment. Future directions and research. Current research underscores the essential role sharks play in maintaining marine ecosystem health and stability. Studies continue to reveal how their predatory presence can prevent the overpopulation of prey species and maintain species diversity. Despite ongoing research, much remains to be learned about shark behaviors, interactions within ecosystems, and the impacts of environmental changes on their populations. Areas needing more research include the long-term ecological impacts of shark decline and the effectiveness of current conservation strategies. Advancements in technology and tagging have revolutionized our understanding of sharks. Satellite tagging allows researchers to track shark movements over vast distances, providing invaluable data on migration patterns, breeding sites, and feeding behavior. This information is crucial for developing effective conservation measures and for understanding the broader ecological impacts of sharks. Conclusion: the critical role of sharks reaffirmed. Throughout this discussion, we've seen how sharks act as regulators and engineers of their environments, and how their presence supports the economic viability of marine-based communities through ecotourism. The ecological roles of sharks are vital for the health of marine ecosystems. Protecting them is not just about conserving a single species, but about ensuring the sustainability of the entire ocean ecosystem. It is crucial for everyone to support shark conservation efforts. By doing so, we contribute to preserving our marine ecosystems for future generations. You can contribute to shark conservation by supporting bans on shark finning, participating in or donating to shark research programs, and spreading awareness about the importance of sharks. Organizations such as the Shark Research Institute, Project Aware, and the Marine Conservation Society offer opportunities for you to get involved and learn more about how to protect these magnificent creatures. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications and share this video to help spread the word. Thank you for your support.